Hello Jira users. Native Jira cannot copy, clone or duplicate chart configurations. But we got you covered. In this tutorial, we'll cover the Copy Gadget feature of the Performance Objectives app. This tool duplicates your app's chart configurations in Jira dashboards, where you have ownership or editing permissions. Let's dive in. Start by clicking the cogwheel on your Performance Objectives chart. Choose Copy Gadget, select the destination dashboard from the drop-down menu, and click Copy. After a quick page refresh, your copied gadget is good to go. This time-saving feature eliminates the need to recreate charts from scratch. Convenient, right?